All right, so the Godox SL60W, it's been out for a minute, and I'm sure there are some really good alternatives that have come out, probably for even a better price. But I already have two. I'm quite happy with them, and I thought other users might appreciate a video with some little inspiration on how to use these for different setups. Now, with that said, let me tell you that I kind of rushed this, put this together really quickly just to give these examples. So when you set these up, you will want to spend more time with lighting, positioning of both your lights as well as your subject and so forth. But I think the examples that I give you will lead you in the right direction. You can find this information all over YouTube, but hey, you know what? You can find any information I've posted all over YouTube. That goes to say for most channels. So I wanted to post it anyway. With that said, everything I shot in this video is going to be significantly underexposed, but I do prefer an underexposed look, at least in a dark room. Maybe outdoors, maybe not underexposed, but in the studio, I prefer underexposed looks. Everything was shot with the Canon M50, mounted with the Sigma 16mm f1.4. It was wide open, and ISO was at 400. The SL60W, I used just one for the light because this is a single light setup video. It was set at only 10% intensity. Also had double diffusion and a grid on it. So both of those would cut the light. So anyway, let's move forward. With loop lighting, the light is about 45 degrees to the side and slightly above eye level. Split lighting is a type of side lighting and is defined as when the light hits your subject from a 90-degree angle from the side. It's going to show the most significant contrast between one side and the other of your subject's face. Flat lighting is when you have your light source facing directly at the front of your subject. It's going to be on the face, and it'll mean that your subject is well lit and you are unable to see any shadows along their face. Overhead lighting is exactly like it sounds. The light source is positioned directly above the subject. Backlighting is when the light comes from behind your subject. Sometimes it creates like a silhouette. Butterfly lighting is when the light is placed above and in front of the subject and it creates a small shadow beneath the nose resembling a butterfly, hence the name.